Okay, what are we doing?
What are we doing? We're doing Jamie's DS3.
DS3 carbon fibre bits.
Carbon fibre, but they have a matte finish with a black tint.
Okay.
I don't know if that's the best way to describe it. It's black tinted matte.
Lacquer.
Yeah. I'll show you in the gun. On the trims, really, it doesn't. Unless you looked at one that was done and one that's complete.
Yeah.
You can't really see.
I suppose that's the point.
Really see what you're looking at.
I suppose that's the point, though.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go and have a look. Well, there's a lot in here, kid. So these are all... Yeah, there's a lot happening here. It's like a production. 16 pieces of carbon fibre trim for a Citreon DS3 Racing.
Yes, these are actual carbon fibre, not wrapped, not made, not sprayed.
These are the real deal.
Not made.
No, the real deal.
Yeah. This has been refitted. This is the clear. Can you see? This is the clear coat, and it's actually got black tint.
Yeah.
In the matte, that's matte clear coat as well, and that's got the black tint in the matte.
Fantastic.
So as you can see on the paper, you see there's a slight black haze.
Oh yeah, I can see that. Yeah.
You're not going for blacked out, so you can't see the carbon.
No, because you want to be able to see it.
You're going for the because if you put too much in, it'll just be black.
Yeah.
You might as well just have black mouldings.
Yeah.
But what we've done is, to the best of our ability,
It's replicated the original finish.
The original finish, yeah. Because actually people will say, oh, just paint it.
Well, I'm hoping the camera picks it up, but I can definitely see the weave. Yeah.
We definitely wanted them with a black tint. We definitely wanted them matte as well.
Matte.
Some people will probably say, oh, I didn't want them gloss, but we wanted them to replicate how it should be.
And do you find that the smaller pieces are easier to deal with than the bigger pieces? Or the opposite way round?
Some in the smaller pieces was easier.
Yeah.
I think painting the bigger bits is sort of easier than... Because what you got to try to do is you've got to make sure you've got a coat, so you've got to follow it around. You can't do like half a coat, because that's not too much.
I like that. I like that.
Yeah.
Action.
You've got to like flow around, that's one. Just constant.
Yeah.
Not sort of to the halfway and then that's got two coats in it.
So I take it this is the rear trim where the exhaust comes out
Yeah,
of?
that's the rear diffuser.
It looks beautiful. It looks brand new, that, mate.
This is the front diffuser down here.
Yeah. Very pretty, isn't it? Cool, blimey, I can't afford any of this kit, you know.
We've got some pictures of it before with it. It's just like flaky paint.
Yeah.
Areas. It's just like, like flaky.
What's over these side skirts?
They're side skirts.
Yeah, lovely. So we'll get more of this work then, because they look fantastic, mate. You don't want no more of this work, do you? No, you've done really well there, Keith. They look ace.
I enjoy doing them. Sanding them down is a bit tough.
Yeah. So we'll probably see these fitted to the car next.
Because we repainted the car.
Yes, this was the DS3 that we painted.
Well, except for the roof, the orange roof. We did all the way around the bottom.
Yeah.
And these are the trims for it. So I'm hoping, what he says he's going to do, he's going to fit it all up and then he's going to come down and see us with the finished product. And everyone will know what we're going on about.
Yeah.
When it's all fitted up and done. And,
Awesome, man.
Yeah.
Well, I suppose we'll see you again when they're fitted to the car.
Yeah.
Okay, good stuff. Thanks, Keith.
Like and subscribe.
I like that. Cheers, Keith.